Cut off the bottom of the bottle. Cut a thin guide strip to insert into the bottle cutter. Then pull the strip to the end of the bottle. I get about 8 meters of strip from a 2-liter PET bottle. Cut the guide strip and slide it into the cold nozzle. Turn on the Petamentor and the nozzle starts to heat up. Gently pull the beginning of the filament to hook the filament onto the spool. Cut off excess filament. And slide on the spool on the puller. Then turn on the winding of the filament on the spool. Check the quality of the filament. You can change the filament quality result by setting a different winding speed and nozzle temperature. The finished filament is wound for about 3/4 of an hour. Faster winding results in poorer filament quality. This machine does not require the use of Arduino and no programming skills. All parts are very cheap and available worldwide. We have our own community forum which is created by very enthusiastic people whom I want to thank you for their work on this project. STL files are free. All components are simple and we have a complete video tutorial so you can also make your own machine. Subscribe to this channel and join the Petamentor community today. The world needs to clean up from the used PET bottles and we need some material for our 3D printing.